Hi everyone, are you looking low-cost dash cam? This video is made to help you find the best low-cost dash cam. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay up-to-date latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, M660. Equipped with advanced WDR super night vision and infrared lighting, this car DVR ensures outstanding visibility in low-light conditions, making it an ideal companion for night drives so you never miss a crucial moment. The M660 offers comprehensive coverage with 4 channels, capturing the front, rear and cabin views simultaneously. This allows you to choose the configuration that best suits your needs for capturing multiple angles and perspectives simultaneously. AZDOME M660 features a built-in GPS module that provides accurate location data. This allows you to track your route, speed and other important information during your journeys. Capture every detail of your journeys with the AZDOME M660 Dashcam's exceptional 360 degrees Full HD video quality, providing you with enhanced safety and reliable evidence collection in any driving scenario. Number 4. Brand name, DDPAI, model number, Z60. The Z60 Dashcam, the main highlight, is engineered to provide comprehensive in-car security and ease of use. Its 4K UHD resolution ensures crystal clear image quality, capturing fine details even at high speeds, which is essential for reliable footage of an incident. DDPAI is pioneering the use of AOV technology in parking monitoring. This technology enables ultra-low energy time-lapse recording, ensuring minimal power consumption while instantly waking up to record any abnormal activity around your vehicle. With 4G support, the Dashcam offers enhanced functionality and expanded usage scenarios for comprehensive parking surveillance and upgraded safety. Features SR 2.0 driving effects, showcasing various dynamic data and information in a visually striking way. Equipped with a 145 degrees wide-angle lens and f1.55 aperture, it captures a broad field of view with optimal brightness, producing sharp footage in various lighting. This system provides flexibility for users who need broader angles or wish to monitor additional areas. Number 3. Brand name, LINGDU, model number, D100. The LINGDU D100 Dashcam is a powerhouse packed with essential features. LINGDU Dash Camera provides convenient control experiences to purchaser. User could control the Dashcam simply by using voice. LINGDU D100 can produce sharp and clear images even at night. LINGDU D100 supports 3 kinds of parking modes. Collision detection parking mode, Dashcam could detect collision and lock the emergency video. Dashcam front provides super clear images and videos. User could clearly see the road condition and every detail in the recorded video. Equipped with an automatic video locking feature when a shock or collision occurs. Number 2. Brand name, VIOFO, model number, A229 Pro. The A229 Pro 3-way Dashcam features loop recording, which means that as soon as the memory card reaches its storage capacity, the car camera will automatically replace the oldest video file with the most recent one. The A229 Pro features an advanced quad-mode GPS module, offering seamless compatibility with 4 satellite positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, Galileo and GLONASS. This integration notably boosts accuracy and stability in positioning, and also provides thorough vehicle location, speed, and timestamp data when reviewing videos on the VIOFO app or a computer. An upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection module is built into A229 Pro to provide much faster Wi-Fi data transfer, ensuring smooth video previewing, downloading and sharing. Number 1. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, M550 Pro. The M550 Pro AZDOME 3-channel dash camera offers a cabin camera, dash camera and a rear-facing camera. The AZDOME M550 Pro Dual Dash Cam has a built-in GPS. The GPS dash cam accurately records the road trajectory and speed for you to view later. It also enables smart crash monitoring as it activates upon impact and records videos up to 15 to 20 seconds. The sensor used by Dashcam is a 3-axis impact gravitational accelerometer, which is used to detect the physical and gravity effects of the camera. Another unique feature of this M550 Pro 3CH 4K 64GB is the bright and large 3.0-inch LCD widescreen display. The screen shows what the camera is recording, and a single button press can be used to enter the menu or take a picture. Recording can also be started and stopped, or the microphone turned on or off.